Sometimes, you don't really need a destination. You just need a reason to ride. Today, that reason was just to be outside. Kaya pumunta kami sa Philinvest Eats. Nagbike ako kasama si OG Nando, si Migo, to grab something to eat and to hang out na din doon. If you're not familiar with it, it's this open, laid-back food strip sa Philinvest. Every weekend na masarap puntahan. Everything's laid back and chill. And honestly, we need more spaces like this. Open public spaces na mura yung pagkain. People can walk around, bike, sit outside, and actually spend time without feeling the need to buy something expensive just to feel good. It reminds you that cities don't always have to feel stressful or heavy. So this ride is about enjoying public spaces and appreciating spots like this na gusto mapatambayan ng matagal.
Good afternoon, Kuya.
What is up, everyone? Welcome to another episode of San Gabriel. In this ride, kasama ko si OG Nando and si Migo, and we are going to Philinvest Eats to grab something to eat and to hang out there. Since it's an open space, sobrang presko tumambay doon, and it's nice to be out and enjoy the cold weather habang wala pa ang rainy season. Malamig ang hangin, hindi sobrang humid, at hindi din ganun kainit yung araw. Meron kaming dalawang option na pwede daanan papuntang Philinvest. Either Zapote or Daang Hari. Yung Zapote, madaming jeep na tumitigil na lang bigla at hindi maganda ang kalsada. Sa Daang Hari naman, mabibilis ang sasakyan. Pick your poison, as they say. It's been a while since nakasama namin si OG Nando sa rides. So habang nandito siya sa Las Piñas, niyaya na namin siya magbike.
Kaliwa na tayo. Kaliwa. Diretso. Migo, kung gusto nyo tumakbo ni Jess, oh. Park nyo yung bike dyan, oh. Order ka na rito, Tito. Doon man. Anong kape na lang sa'yo? Ako na order mo.
Pili mo ko para sa akin.
So this is Philinvest Eats. Isang strip siya ng road na puro nagbebenta ng pagkain. Also, meron mga tables and chairs so you can sit down while you're having a bite or a drink.
Kasama mo?
Tito ko tsaka kapatid ko po.
Dan. Hindi kayo nag-umaga.
Hindi po, sarap matulog eh.
Hindi kang kalaban.
Dapat magbabay kay Kasal namin. Dalawang latte na hot.
Dalawang latte hot. Regular po.
Yes. Regular yung mas malaki, no?
Yes po.
Yes, sige, regular.
Malayo?
Kahit anong ATM? Mamaya, dadaanan natin. Yung dito, pag dumire-diretso dyan.
Kapag ano,
Ito, cash muna, tito. Mamaya na lang pag...
wala palang signal dito.
Ay, oo, mahina signal dito.
Ito sa amin.
Thank you. Pareho lang sa atin.
Ay, kaibigan.
Kay Migo, siya na umorder mamaya.
Sige po.
Thank you. Thank you. Kain lang kami.
Sige lang.
Pinuntahan ko to sa previous episode kung napanood nyo. Kung hindi pa, panoorin nyo after this. Nung bata pa ako, I grew up in a community na walang ganitong open space. Walang park na malapit, at sa kalsada lang kami naglalaro nun, yung tipong titigil ka para lang may sasakyan na makadaan. Masaya naman nun when I was still a child, pero ngayon na adult na, and to have a space like this, something to be really thankful for.
In order mo.
Hazelnut latte na hot.
Aside from kape, naghanap pa ako ng pwede makain. Something not too heavy kasi magdi-dinner pa kami mamaya. Pang merienda lang. At nauwi tayo sa siomai. Sila Migo and OG Nando order ng chicken burger yata and hot dog with bacon. Everyday, hindi lang weekend. Pero grabe nung Pasko dito. Oh, ang daming tao. Ito, hindi kami makapasok. Hindi ka makabili ng pagkain. Ano yan, Biko? Ano nga yan?
Chicken burger.
Panghang, tito. Ano yun? Garlic?
Bacon.
Bacon.
Yung...
Oo, sarap nga yan.
Something light pero umorder pa ng Hungarian sausage. Ayos ka, boy.
Bigyan ko to. Sa pusa, no?
Also, may nagbabusking sa tabi lang ng table namin. Sobrang solid ng vibe. Ang galing niya and I wanted to post yung performance niya dito, but I might get a copyright strike, so I'm going to post her social media details so you can check it out. Ang galing. Pauwi na talaga kami. Pero before going home, umikot lang muna kami sandali to enjoy the place, enjoy the night ride, and savor the cold weather.
peso nakuha natin.
Pwede pa nga tayo magtagal eh.
Sarap din ng pagkain nila.
Yung Hungarian na ito.
Oo.
Although, sa time na pinost ko tong video, Philinvest announced that they will be closing the Philinvest Eats part. So, hindi sila nagbigay ng reason kung bakit, but I hope that they bring it back as soon as possible. Once again, thank you for hanging out with your boy. And if you could, like the video, share it to your friends, comment something, and subscribe to the channel. Peace!